Hi, I'm Keith Douglas from Fresh Group Products. Today's video is of a trolley-mounted plant waterer, as you see in front of you. So basically, just to give you an overview, the full specification of this product is on our website, and it's actually listed on our trolley-mounted waterer section. So it's British built. We use European high quality components throughout. It's a 12 volt on-demand pump system, and simply what that means is when you're turning the tap into the open flow position, when you're wanting the water to flow and do watering, it will do just that. And then equally so, there's a tap at the lance end that you can turn off, and when you turn that to the off position, then the demand on the pump is shut down. So very easy and simple to use. General specification, like I say, the full specification is on the website, but it's 70 litres, manual push pull, filled from the top here. You've got a rubbish or trash bucket, as some people may call it, just for putting debris, etc. if you have any. And in here, I won't get it out, it's a very simple 13 amp plug in the wall 12 volt charger with crocodile clips. I'll just run the machine round. So it's nearly full with water, so you can see how easy it is to turn. It's got two pneumatic wheels on the front and two solid caster wheels at the back. And basically that's why it's our best seller, really, because it's just good quality, versatile product. At the back here where my foot is, there are a press-on foot brake on each side of the casters, so that's now nicely locked in place. To release that, you just flip it back up with the tip of your foot on both sides, and now it will easily move around again. So you can buy this with or without the telescopic lance. The telescopic lance, I'll demonstrate it a bit later in the video, but I'm 5'10" tall, and when you hold it extended, it will go up to approximately 4 meters when it's fully extended. You don't have to buy it with that. If you just want to do ground level watering, it comes as standard with a flood lance. I've just wrapped it this way round for tidiness, and this basically, if the camera wants to come in a little bit closer, I can show you the geeker fitting that we use on this and the tap. So well, there's a bit of water in it from earlier, I don't know if the camera caught that, but that's it in open flow position, that's it in closed flow position. So when it's there, the pump is running. When it's closed, and if you want to move to a different area to water different shrubs or plants, the pump shuts down. Okay, so with it shut, I don't know if the camera's getting this. Is the camera getting that? So basically this is the geeker fitting, so you just make sure that they're flat and flush with each other, twist to unlock, and then just make sure they're lined up, and then just twist it in, and that's basically fitted. And that's the same fitting on the end of the telescopic lance. Okay, it comes with 6 meters of delivery hose, but like I say, the full specification is listed on the website. Really, I think this part of the video we've covered it. Oh, actually no, if the camera wants to come back in, just show you the filler top. So you've got obviously a filter inside, and as you can see, I've filled this up previously just with a hose. So but good quality tank and components throughout, like I say, and obviously a very neat design. I'll actually come round, if the camera can come in low at this level where my hand is, you'll see it's neatly tucked away in the design of the tank. That's the pump motor we use on this product, a flow jet. I can't remember the full spec of it. I think it's 18 litres per minute open flow. If the camera stays there, I'm going to show the other end now, and this is where the battery 12 volt battery system, and we just literally have two little crocodile clips that you would clip onto there when charging it up. And yeah, so really neat sort of design really on this. The camera wants to go back out again. Just show you, so telescopic lance is here, so that's it basically in its normal position, like I say, with the geeker. Then if you just turn that anti-clockwise, and then you can extend that up, and then turning it back in a clockwise motion. Don't know if the camera's going to get this high up now, but I'll do this outside, but I'm extending that up now, and that's pretty much at 4 meters. But I'll bring it back down, as you'll see in our poor designed lighting system. But it works when we're doing ground level videos for us. So just loosen that off, bring that back in. Oh, what I didn't show you actually, of course, was the on-off switch. So you do need to power it up. So if the camera would like to come back in, I'll just reposition that. So here, if you can see that, we've got a simple switch. This position, it's in the off position, and that was it. You may have heard just a little noise, that's the pump coming on. If the camera wants to go out now, back to its normal position, because we're indoors doing this video, I won't flow a lot of water out, and I'll leave the hose intact momentarily, but we'll take it out. But basically that's it now running. Okay, like I say, I'm indoors in our display area, so if the camera wants to stop now. Okay, so I've switched the pump to the off position to release the pressure. I'm going to basically twist that apart and now connect the telescopic lance. So reverse action, and then that's now locked in position. So I'll do it in this position, so I'll switch the pump back on. So this is low level, so basically that would do most hanging baskets for most people in that position, I would suggest. I'll turn it off again, just as exactly as before. The pump stops. Turn this black sort of, I don't know what you'd call it, but basically you turn it anti-clockwise to loosen the pipe, extend the pipe out, and then turn it back clockwise to lock it in position. And now what I'll do, I'll just move this. So the building, here that I'm demonstrating in front of, this eaves is 4 meters in height. So I'm going to put it back on, and you can see there that you're getting a good flow of water even at that height. So the pump that we use has plenty of power to pump the water up vertically to that height. So hope that sort of gives you a good insight to the machine. It's just like a product overview video. Just so turn that anti-clockwise. There's a bit of water in the system, so that's why it's pumping it out there. And take the pump off, release that, put that back in its mounting point, and then put the flood lance. And again, if we switch it on, just to show you how quick and easy it is, you're now watering at ground level again. So just leave that there for a second. So I'm Keith Douglas at Fresh Group Products, and we hope that you found this video informative. It's our best selling trolley mounted or manual push-pull plant watering system. It holds 70 litres, full specification on the website. If you've got any questions about the product or interested in purchasing, we do try and hold stock as best we can through the busy period. But give us a call. The phone number is 0333 880 6654, and all the details are on the website as discussed previously. Thank you very much. We hope you found that video informative. Please feel free to like or share with any friends or colleagues. We regularly add new videos relating to our products, and these can consist of action, product overview and how-to videos. To receive these in the future, please subscribe to our channel. For more information on this video, either give the office a call or visit the website, links below. My name is Keith Douglas from Fresh Group Products Limited, and our main contact number is 0333 880 6654. Thanks very much for watching.